What can you do with a fiber laser engraver? Fiber laser engraving machine is also popular as fiber laser engraving machine. In some cases, it can also be a fiber laser marking machine. A fiber laser engraver is a solid-state laser engraver in which the laser engraver uses glass fibers to amplify the laser beam. Since the fiber laser can produce a minimum focal diameter, this machine can do finer engraving than CO2 laser engravers. As a result, fiber laser engraving machine is popular with many business ideas. With that in mind, I made this video to highlight some of the business ideas you can develop with a fiber laser engraving machine. Electronics and circuits. Laser engraving in the electronics industry has a significant impact on quality products. Laser engraving is undoubtedly a non-contact process and environmentally safe. However, a fiber laser engraver creates permanent engraving on all electronic products. Therefore, laser engraved electronic products need less maintenance. How can you use a fiber laser engraver machine in this industry? Marking PCB boards improves a brand's popularity. The laser engraving business for engraving on PCB boards can be one of your business ideas. Electronic covers or housing engraving. Every electronic product requires labeled specifications. The laser engraver machine makes quality labeling that lasts forever. SMD components such as the transistor, oscillators, diodes, resistors, microchips, etc., need high-quality markings on top of these components. Automotive industry. The fiber laser engraver machine produces good beam quality and tiny focus points, resulting in long-lasting engraving on automobile parts and components. This excellent machine can engrave almost everything with visible details and touchable high-quality icons. How can you use a fiber laser engraver machine in this industry? Marking words, letters, numbers, or logos on automobile parts such as connecting rods, water pumps, pistons and rings, engine housing, gearbox, sealing strips, radiators, wipers, etc., can be one of your business idea in the automobile sector. Demands for engraving on the curved surface increased dramatically. Fiber laser engraving machines can engrave on both plane and curved surfaces. Automobile plastic components such as driver displays, plastic buttons for air conditioners, speakers, calls, etc., require high-quality marking. Medical appliances. Most medical equipment requires a colorless label, so the color particles don't affect any operations. As mentioned, fiber laser engraving machine produces a minimal focal diameter resulting in durable engraving on the metal surface. How can you use a fiber laser engraver machine in this industry? Almost every component used in the medical industry requires labeling on it. Especially for surgical equipment need high-quality engraving. The pharmaceutical sector requires tools for developing medicine for treatment purposes. Besides, the first aid box, which has the highest sales in all markets, can be the target of your business plans. Jewelry. Fiber laser engraving machine is the most popular in the jewelry industry. The use of this excellent machine increased drastically in the jewelry industry. The fiber laser engraver machine can make fine details from the design, which attracts the customer the most. Rings, bracelets, earrings, crowns, unique lighters, keyrings, etc., are fiber laser engravers' most common products. How can you use a fiber laser engraver machine in this industry? Different types of boys and girls bracelet engraving are trendy in the jewelry market. You can do better with fiber laser engraving machines if you own a jewelry company. Unique engravings such as names, letters, hearts, etc., on the curved surface of rings, earrings, crowns, etc., can also be one of the best services you can provide with a fiber laser engraver machine. Gifts and signage. Another excellent place to do a profitable business is the showpieces and gift items. Gifts can be precious if it is unique and meaningful. Gift items can be expensive based on the uniqueness of the design. On the other hand, signage with beautiful calligraphy also attracts people. Therefore, you can make various creative products using an ideal fiber laser engraver machine. How can you use a fiber laser engraver machine in this industry? Keyrings, dog belts, wine bottles, door crafts, nameplates, surprise boxes, water pots, wall canvas, gift boxes, etc., are the most common crafts ideal for starting a laser engraving machine. Various signage such as entry boards, company profiles, and routes to the destination is the typical example of signage that you can make from a fiber laser engraver machine. Other ideas. Other services like phone back covers, DIY kits, paper cutting, book covers, engraved photos, album frames, etc., can be excellent choices for starting a laser engraving business. Laser engraving on glasses can also be an excellent choice for a fiber laser engraver machine. Fundraisers are also one of the most popular laser engraving products these days. A fiber laser engraver machine for fundraising engraved bricks could be a good start. Leather products such as bags, belts, shoes, money bags, etc., can also be a good start for a laser engraving business. The cloth industry also requires fiber laser engraver machines for jeans, leather jackets, hoodies, winter clothes, etc.